How do I create and format tables in OneNote? If you are looking to organize your notes better, creating and formatting tables in Microsoft OneNote is a great way to do it. It helps you manage your study time effectively by providing structure and clarity. Let's break down how to create and format tables step by step. First, to create a table, navigate to the Insert tab at the top of the OneNote window. Click on the Table button. You will see a grid appear. You can drag your mouse across the grid to select how many rows and columns you want. For example, if you drag to select a 4x4 grid, you will create a table with for rows and for columns. If you prefer, you can also manually specify the number of rows and columns by selecting the option to insert a table. Once your table is created, you can start typing directly into the cells. This is where you can input your study notes or any other information you need. Now, let's talk about formatting your table to make it more visually appealing and functional. When you click inside the table, a Table tab will appear on the ribbon. This tab provides various options to modify your table. You can select individual cells, rows, or columns by clicking or dragging across them. If you want to add more rows or columns, simply select a cell next to where you want the new addition. Then, use the options on the Table tab to insert them. You can also adjust the width of columns by clicking and dragging the edge of a column until it fits your needs. To highlight important information, you can shade cells, rows, or columns. This is especially useful for study notes, as it helps key points stand out. You can also format the text within the table cells, such as changing the font size, color, or alignment, using the tools available in the Home tab. Another handy feature is sorting data within a column. By selecting a cell in that column, you can use the Sort feature on the Table tab to arrange your information alphabetically or numerically. If you prefer a cleaner look, you can hide table borders. Keep in mind that OneNote applies borders to the entire table and cells, not to individual cells selectively. For those who want to take it a step further, you can copy formatted cells from Microsoft Excel and paste them into OneNote. This allows you to maintain the formatting and functionality you set up in Excel. Using tables in OneNote can break down complex information into manageable parts. This organization makes it easier to review and study efficiently. By structuring your study notes with tables, you can improve clarity and save time when revisiting material. Creating and formatting tables in OneNote is simple. Just insert a table through the Insert tab, customize its size, and use the Table tab tools to adjust rows, columns, shading, sorting, and text formatting. This method supports effective study time management by keeping your notes organized and easily accessible.